Hello students, welcome to your GK class. This is Priyanka starting with a new chapter that is famous people. Okay, तो famous people क्या होते हैं? प्रसिद्ध लोग. So let's get started. First is she was the daughter of the wealthy and aristocratic nationalist leader Motilal Nehru and sister of the first Prime Minister of independent India, Jawaharlal Nehru. Her famous words were, "The more we sweat in peace, the less we bleed in war." She was Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. Yes. In 1979, she was appointed the Indian representative to the UN Human Rights Commission, after which she retired from public life. Her writings include The Evolution of India in 1958 and The Scope of Happiness. Now, second is he was an American printer, publisher, author, inventor, scientist, and diplomat. He made important contributions to science and is remembered for his wisdom and writing style. His famous words were, "Well done is better than well said." Yes, he was Benjamin Franklin. Ben Franklin believed in science, but he was not above satirizing his fellow scientists. Benjamin Franklin made several important discoveries concerning electricity, but not all of his work in the field was successful. Okay, now third one is best known as a poet of nature. He served as Great Britain's poet laureate from 1843 until his death. His lyrical ballads, published in 1798, written with Samuel Taylor Coleridge, helped launch the Romantic movement in English literature. His famous words were, "The child is the father of man." And he was William Wordsworth. Yes, विलियम वर्ड्सवर्थ को बहुत सारे उपनामों से जाना जाता था. ठीक है, इनफैक्ट जाना जाता है, जैसे नेचर्स पोएट, मैंस पोएट, क्योंकि इन्होंने नेचर्स को इंसान का गुरु बता दिया था. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट इज अ पोएट, नॉवेलिस्ट, प्लेराइट, painter and musician. He won the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1913 for his collection of poetry Gitanjali. His famous words were, you can't cross the sea merely by standing and staring at the water." And he was Ravindranath Tagore. Yes, he was Ravindranath Tagore. So, वैसे रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर जी जो थे वो भारत के गौरव थे. ठीक है, उन्होंने नोबेल प्राइज विनर थे, जो कि सबसे बड़ा सम्मान होता है. ठीक है, जिस समय भारत की तरफ से कोई इंसान नहीं था, उस वक्त उन्होंने भारत का नाम ऊंचा किया. और वो कौन थे? रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर जी. नाउ फिफ्थ इज हिज थ्योरीज ऑफ रिलेटिविटी लेड टू न्यू research regarding the theories of time, space, matter, energy, and gravity. His famous words were, imagination is more important than knowledge. Knowledge is limited. Imagination encircles the world." And he was Albert Einstein. Yes, he was Albert Einstein. उन्होंने अल्बर्ट आइंस्टीन एक बहुत ही इंटेलिजेंट पर्सन थे. उन्होंने अपने खोजों के आधार पर ये टाइम, स्पेस, मैटर, एनर्जी एंड ग्रेविटी के सिद्धांत दिए हुए थे. ठीक है, नाउ नेक्स्ट इज द 16th president of the United States. He ranks among the greatest of all American statesmen during the Civil War. He maintained the unity of the country, and he also played an important role in bringing freedom to the African American slave. His famous words were, "You can fool all the people some of the time, and some of the people all the time, but you can't fool all the people all the time. And he was Abraham Lincoln. Okay, one of the greatest president of USA. ठीक है, तो जब अमेरिका के दो स्टेट्स, क्या है, एक नॉर्थ एंड एक साउथ स्टेट्स, जब उन दोनों के बीच सिविल वॉर हो रहा था, ठीक है, तो उस टाइम नॉर्थ के ये अब्राहम लिंकन थे और साउथ के जेफरसन डेविड थे, ठीक है, तो उन्होंने उस टाइम ही मेंटेन द यूनिटी ऑफ द country, and he also played an important role in bringing freedom to the African American slaves, and he was Abraham Lincoln. Now 7. One of the most famous Jewish victims of Nazi persecution, this 15 years old diarist penned one of the world's most powerful accounts of Jewish life during World War II. Her famous words were, "We all live with the objectives of being happy. Our lives are all different and yet the same." And she was Annie Frank. Yes, she was Annie Frank. तो एनी फ्रैंक का जन्म जर्मनी के फ्रैंकफर्ट में हुआ था। जब एनी 4 साल की थी तब जर्मनी पे नाजियों का कंट्रोल हो गया था। तभी एनी की फैमिली जर्मनी छोड़ के एम्स्टर्डम चले गए, बट नाजियों ने वहाँ भी हमला कर दिया था। उसके 13th बर्थडे पे उसके फादर ने एक डायरी गिफ्ट की, ठीक है, और तभी उसी टाइम नाजियों के डर से एनी की फैमिली सीक्रेट एनेस में छिप गई थी और एनी ने वहाँ एनी 2 साल तक छिपी रही और वहीं पे एनी ने अपनी डायरी लिखना शुरू किया। नाउ नेक्स्ट इज he led the civil rights movement in the United States and was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in 1964. His famous words were, "I have a dream, but that my 4 little children will one day live in a nation where they will not judge by the color of their skin but by the content of their character." And yes, he was Martin Luther King. ठीक है, उन्हें भी नोबेल पीस प्राइज से सम्मानित किया गया था। कब? 1964 में, ठीक है। नाउ नेक्स्ट इज an American educator and author. She became the first deaf-blind person to graduate from college. Her famous words were, "The best and most beautiful thing in the world can't be seen or even touched. They must be filled with the heart." And she was Helen Keller, जो कि अमेरिकन एजुकेटर और ऑथर भी रह चुकी थी और कॉलेज से ग्रेजुएट करने वाली वो पहली डीफ ब्लाइंड पर्सन थी। ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट इज an Irish dramatist and literary critic. He won the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1925. His famous words were, "Success does not consist in never making mistakes, but in never making the same on a second time." And he was George Bernard Shaw. Yes, वो एक इरिश ड्रामेटिस्ट थे एंड लिटरेरी क्रिटिक, ठीक है। उन्हें भी नोबेल प्राइज, ही वॉन द नोबेल प्राइज कब? लिटरेचर में इन 1925 में उन्हें मिला था, ठीक है। और वो कौन थे? जॉर्ज बर्नार्ड शॉ। I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I hope you all are safe. So stay home and stay learning. Thank you.